Statistics, Modeling, and Finance, Chapter 6, Evolution of Financing, page 3, Standardization. Early weights and measures were ambiguous, and many were based on the shape of the human body. In the 1st century BC, a Roman emperor decreed that 4 fingers make a palm, and 4 palms make a foot. Unfortunately, people have different sized fingers and hands. Nonetheless, it was a stab at uniformity. For centuries, things were measured roughly in the same fashion. An inch was the width of a finger. 12 inches or fingers equaled a foot. Horses were measured in terms of how many hands high they stood. In 1266, King Henry III introduced in Britain the sterling system, linking weights to coinage. He decreed there would be 240 pennyweights to the pound. Thus was created a standard unit of exchange that endured for centuries. Money. So today, money is the standard unit of exchange. However, the unit amount varies considerably. Are you talking about dollars or yen or euros? They have variable rates of exchange that change daily or hourly. Here is a handy website that will show the latest exchange rates. Please click on that link. Money is a commodity that is bought and sold. Its price depends largely on the good old principle of supply and demand. There are times of tight supply when the cost of money is driven up. When governments are trying to encourage spending and investment, money is more plentiful. It can be bought more cheaply. The price of money is expressed as an interest rate. With the global economy of today, interest rates can change in a matter of minutes to reflect changing economic conditions. End of page. Page 4, Investment Choices. All levels of government raise money to support their operation. Not all money is needed right away, so they look for ways to invest the money until the time it is needed. They may invest in bonds, certificates of deposit, CDs, or other monetary instruments. Pension funds accumulate for amounts that are withheld from employees each pay period. They are chartered to invest those funds so that money is available when employees retire. They hope to substantially increase their fund balance over time. They can't just sit on the money. They need to invest it. Insurance companies collect your premium every month, and they need to sock that away so it will grow to the amount they need to pay back to you at some point in the future. When you die, file a health claim or have a casualty loss. If you set up an IRA or your employer starts a 401k plan, the money needs to be invested. Companies that raise money by selling stock need to put that money to work to build up their business. Mutual funds pool investors' resources and need to invest the money. Lenders need funds to lend out as mortgages. People who have money need to invest that money they have in order to make more money. The list goes on and on. All of these entities have money to invest, just like you as an individual. They could put it in the bank or buy a CD, stocks, bonds, or real estate, etc. End of page.